Welcome to how to use STYLPRO's Root Renew Red Light Hairbrush. To charge your device, plug in the cord to the ports at the bottom of your device. When the red light is showing, it's charging, and when green, it's fully charged. Ensure your hair is clean, dry, and product-free before using the product. Long press the on-off button to turn on your device. Press the mode button to activate your vibration setting. Gently hold the bristles of the brush to the desired treatment area and enjoy a 5-minute session where the brush will then turn itself off. For those who prefer, work in circular motions on the vibration setting for a gentle massage. For those who prefer a shorter time than 5 minutes, long press the on-off button to switch off your device. We recommend using the 5-minute sessions daily for best outcome. Ensure all hair is removed from the brush and use a damp cloth to wipe over your bristles to keep nice and clean. Thank you for watching how to use the STYLPRO Root Renew Red Light Hairbrush.